Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm looking at a VTech KidiJamz music DJ studio kind of cool keyboard set here. This is really cool. This is a vintage one here, but this actually is a really nice item. Works really well. Let me just show you some examples how it sounds. This has a little portable, like a little iPod kind of drive that you can actually record on. You record all your cool tunes on. You can play them back, which is super fun. Just put the headphones in here. You can listen to what you just record. So you can basically create your own studio, and then you can actually record on this little, like a little iPod type of system here. Works really well. Let me just show you a little example how it works. You turn it on, you just touch the power button once.
Are you ready? Let's jam.
And it just starts up just like that. And I'll just give you a quick example. Just the key, like that. The keyboard goes up and down. And it lights up. It has a volume control on this side here. You can control the pitch. You can have a ton of sounds here. So you can control the different sounds on this keyboard here. This is the flute. That's cool. Here's a classic piano. Here is a regular piano. Banjo. Saxophone. Steel drum, little reggae music you can do. Now you can add more instruments. You can add different songs. Here is some other Home on the Range. Is some different songs so you can actually play. You can sing to. You can jam. This old man. This is from age 3 to like, I would say like 12 or 13 years old. What's cool about this, you can output this to a system so you can actually record this out to like a sound system. So you get the idea. See, so it gives you an idea how to play. You can learn how to play a piano, which is really fun. Oh, there you go. So you can you can follow the light, learn how to play songs and play different things. But this is really cool. Hip hop. And then we can adjust the pitch and the sound. So let's just
check it out. Yeah, hip hop.
All kinds of different sounds. I mean, the kid's gonna have a ball with this thing. Absolutely out of control. Now it also has a microphone built in as well, so you can actually talk on the microphone just like I am now. And it's absolutely wild. Right. Wild.
Choose a song.
So you can see. So you can hear how that works. You can hear me talking on the microphone. So you can record your voice. You can play a song. You can do all kinds of amazing stuff. This is a really cool set. I mean, the kids are going to absolutely love this. I just wanted to make a quick review and just show you.
Yeah, check it out. Hip hop.
I like this a lot. Is it reggae? Let's see how that. Let's do the. Fast, slow, you can slow down the tempo, speed it up. So you have total, because you have a little rapping here, you can do.
Choose a song.
Then so you get the idea how it works. This is a really fantastic toy.
Jam again later.
And that's how it shuts down. So it turns on, shuts down. You can record to the little iPod. You can actually output to a system. It takes 4 AA batteries or a 9-volt power supply that you can buy separately, and that's you can plug this. So 2 different ways of powering it. So it has a lot of flexibility. Definitely got to give this an A+ on the buy. Kids are going to love it. I'm loving it. So if I'm loving it, the kids are going to absolutely love this. This is definitely a buy. I love it. Hope you enjoyed this quick review. I just want to show you a little bit about, here's a microphone right here, how it just pivots. So it's really like almost like a mini little DJ rapping kind of thing just to get the kids in this musical mood, right? And to teach them a little bit about music and how it works and all that kind of stuff. So that's what this is. Again, VTech makes awesome toys, and I think this is probably one of their best. Appreciate your time. Hope you enjoyed this quick review and demonstration how this works. I love it. I'm going to give it a buy on my end, and I appreciate you watching. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next review.